Hey there, did you know that you have your own personal protective equipment? In a time when we're talking about face masks, face shields, and basically hazmat suits, when, I don't know, you want to go into the dentist, they wear this whole outfit. We have a personal protective equipment set already. God is not surprised by viruses or germs or bacteria. Pandemics are not something that he left us unprepared for. What does amaze me sometimes is how much we talk about what we've made and what we're doing as scientists and wise men and women, and not talking about what God gave us, what he put here for us to take care of ourselves with, and how we can do that. If you need the other stuff, that's fine. But you can own your health very simply. You can take care of yourself in ways that you're designed for. These are God-given ways for you to stay healthy, to fend off viruses, whether it's a cold or COVID. It's not a great surprise, and you can be prepared. I'm going to show you a few things today, and I want to invite you to a deeper, a little more conversation about the digestion tomorrow morning in the Good Living group. If you would like an invite to join that or like the link, message in the comments and I will invite you. And we'll get you in there and we can have more conversation, because this is the kind of stuff we talk about. But here's your personal protective equipment. Your original hazmat suit is your skin. Did you know that you have whole colonies of bacteria and germ and virus fighting beings on your skin? When you take care of your skin properly, you can stimulate your immune system. When you rub your skin, you stimulate circulation and you get the lymph flowing, and you take care of your skin so that it stays soft, supple, and able to function, and you keep all these guys healthy so that the germs and bacteria and viruses that get on your skin can't live. That's your first initial stand, your first initial thing to stay healthy and get rid of those bad guys. Do not use lotion on your skin. This is a fatty tissue, and when you put water on it, you know, water and oil don't mix, right? And if you look at the first ingredient of 98% of all the even natural skincare products out there, water's the first ingredient. Natural oils. This is my big jug, sesame oil. You can use coconut oil, even almond oil, any of those, olive oil, for Pete's sake. It's an oil, a real live oil. For those of you who know about our farming, we have lots of fat around here. Lard and tallow. They're animal fats, so your animal skin recognizes them very readily, and they feed your skin magnificently, so that your first line of defense, your hazmat suit, is in good condition, and all of the flora and fauna on your hands are strong and healthy, so that you can fight off bacteria and viruses and all the nasty things. Second line of defense is your nose. It is designed to filter as you breathe in and to filter as you breathe out, so that any garbage that's out there doesn't get in, and anything inside, it gets captured as it goes out if need be and dealt with. Keeping your nose healthy. Breathing through your nose is one of the primary ways to do that. When you breathe in through your nose, you stimulate a lot of the membranes and the little hairs in your nose, and they function to capture all the bad stuff that's going in. If there's bad viruses floating in the air or germs, dust particles, all those things. When you breathe back out through your nose, it's warm, moist air. It helps moisturize that system so that it stays wet and sticky. That way, it functions when you breathe in, and you recondition it when you breathe back out. James Nestor is a great resource. You can Google him. He's on YouTube. That he talks about nose breathing and how important it is to your health. That's your second line of defense. Instead of covering that nose, take good care of it. The other thing I do is put a little oil in there once a day to moisturize it so that, again, it functions properly and it captures the bad stuff going in and it moisturizes on the way back out. And it's amazing. You can put a couple drops of essential oils in there. Eucalyptus is a good one for opening sinuses and making them function properly. A little lemongrass is nice and soothing. There's a number of other oils to, again, help increase the bacteria-killing, germ, virus-killing aspects of breathing through your nose. Seems really basic. The third point, your part of your PPE, is your digestion. So you get your skin. If it gets past that, into your nose. If it gets past everything else, your mouth, down into your stomach. If you have a good, strong digestion, one of its functions is to incinerate bad things. Germs, viruses, bacteria, they are not heat tolerant. Not at all. That's why you get fevers, is to burn off the bad guys. Your stomach's the same. It's one of its primary, well, among many others, one of its functions in your immune system is to burn off the bad guys if they get down into your stomach so that they can't go through your system and get absorbed. When you keep your digestion strong, it can function in your immune system and keep you healthy. Even if you touch the dirty doorknob going into someplace and then somehow touch your mouth or touch something else, and then you know how it goes. Your digestive system is there to protect you. It's part of your PPE. And your digestive system is what I'm going to talk about more tomorrow at the Monday morning meetup in the Good Living group. So ask to come and join us if you want to learn more about that. And I've talked about that various other times. So message me if you are interested in strengthening your digestive system and how you can do that. But just know, God gave you personal protective equipment. You are strong and capable. You and God are the ones that own your health. The others are just helpers. They're not going to keep you safe. They are not invested in your health the way you are. So take control, own your health, protect your PPE, and you will stay healthy a lot better from all those bad guys out there. So have a great and abundant day. Message me if you want more information, and we'll talk to you later.